Hi all, welcome to the Digital John YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you what is digital marketing and what are the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing, and also what are the main or key components that exist in digital marketing. So first of all, let's understand what is digital marketing. So digital marketing means in simple terms, marketing through internet. So marketing using internet. In olden days, what we used to have was television, newspaper, radio, and we used to have these mediums like print magazine. Also, you can consider as print magazines, holdings, pamphlet distribution, door-to-door selling. So all these comes under the traditional marketing. So nowadays, what happened was due to the internet penetration, many people are on internet. Many people are using internet connected devices like smartphone, laptops, smart TVs, or desktops also. So they are on online. So if you check the statistics also, internet users in India, according to the Statista, so already 100 crore internet users uh, crossed in India if you check the statistics data. So this happened in 2023. It's already 2025 ending now. So this already happened in the 2023. More than 100 crore internet users are there in India. So now, so what happens is, so many people came online. So now companies are also coming to online and they are also doing marketing through internet. You take any industry now today, education industry, they are selling courses, college admissions through digital marketing. They are also using digital marketing. Earlier they used to do pamphlet distribution and door-to-door selling, like that. They used to go to the students and they used to promote their courses and their college. But now that scenario has changed. Customers are also on online and businesses are also on online. Businesses are also coming to the online. Why? Because customers are there, customers are on internet. That is why business people also coming to online, and they are doing digital marketing there. Let me show you one example. Let's say if I want to purchase a 2 BHK flat in Hyderabad, or just I am inquiring. So I typed 2 BHK flat in Hyderabad term. So you can see here, these are the sponsored results. So first website is sponsored results, second website is also sponsored results, third, fourth website is also sponsored results. So by seeing this hide sponsored results, we can assume that all the top four above results are the ads only. This is also one way, this is also part of digital marketing only. So let's say if anybody wants to buy flats, or if they are inquiring to buy a plots or any kind of real estate thing, they go and they search on internet. Internet means Google search engine. So there also we are saying the digital marketing. So now real estate companies are also, they want those who want to buy the flats in Hyderabad. So to get their details, they are doing marketing. This is one way of marketing. I will tell you what this marketing is about. So this is also one way of marketing. So let's say if you are on Facebook, or if you are on Instagram, if you are scrolling through reels, or if you are scrolling through your feed, you will see sponsored posts. All the sponsored posts are part of ads only. There's ads only. Even not just the ads, even if you see sometimes organic content also, which is not ad, but still you see that post as marketing only. So many businesses do that. Insurance agents are doing digital marketing. They are also doing social media marketing to get the customer, to get the leads from social media platform or other Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups. So many types of marketings are there. So digital marketing means, in simple terms, digital marketing means marketing through online. So we, even today also we have traditional marketing, but traditional marketing is going away. I can tell that. Even today, if you see traditional marketing, only big companies can afford those budgets. It can be TV ads or newspaper ads or hoardings or anything. But if you come to the digital marketing is not like that. You don't need huge budgets to do digital marketing. With minimal investment also you can do digital marketing. Even small companies or medium companies can also afford digital marketing budgets. So that is why it is convenient for the user also and for the businesses also. That is why not only small businesses, even big enterprises, businesses also, they are doing digital marketing today. In traditional marketing, we can't measure the data. These are the differences actually that I am telling. In traditional marketing, we don't know the differences. Let's say you kept one hoarding in a city center. You don't know how many people watched that ad. Even if let's say many people watched, you don't know whether your target audience saw that ad or not. Let's say you kept one. Assume that you kept a jewelry ad. Jewelry, usually women buy jewelry. You don't know how many women watched that ad. So that is in traditional marketing you don't get the accurate data, but when it comes to digital marketing, you can precisely target your customers, precisely target your reach your customers, and you can promote your businesses. If you want to show your ad to women, you can show only to women. That possibilities are there in digital marketing. So that is why these are the main differences actually. So differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So that is why many companies today are promoting their businesses through online. Even if you see not just the real estate which I shown you in earlier, but even if you see car insurance, or car under, let's see if we get an ad or not, car under 8 lakhs. Yeah, these are also one way of marketing only, though you are not seeing here sponsored post, sponsored as a tag, but still this is also one way of marketing only in digital marketing. We call this as a search engine optimization. Carwala website, they they are ranking in the number 1 position. How they are ranking? Because they did search engine optimization for their website. How to do that search engine optimization and what is search engine optimization, I will explain you in my further videos. Kindly do subscribe and like my video and comment if you have any queries about this tutorial. So this is also part of marketing. So not just that, if you see car insurance also, car insurance. Yeah, you can see sponsored results. Policybazaar is running ad for the car insurance term. If anybody wants to buy car insurance, if they type in Google, first they click on this Policybazaar website, and Policybazaar gets the lead details, and they try to sell the car insurance product to their customer. So not just this car insurance or all those things, even MBA colleges, they are also doing marketing. You can see ads, sometimes ads also they run, even organic results also, they are ranking. Shiksha is ranking. They are doing search engine optimization, though they are not running ad, but still they are ranking. Why? Because they did search engine optimization for their website. Okay, this is one way of marketing. So like that, how many components are there? Now we understood that what is digital marketing. Digital marketing means marketing through online or marketing through internet. So we also understood the earlier traditional marketing, what is traditional marketing and what is digital marketing also, and what are the main differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Let's say now if you in digital marketing, what are the components are there, main various or digital marketing channels, components, modules, or whatever that you call. So these are the subjects. You can consider these as a subjects in digital marketing, or these are the ways to do marketing. So first thing is that we are seeing is website marketing. Website marketing means I will tell you how to design a website also in my further videos. So kindly do subscribe. If you have any queries, can comment under this video. Website marketing means we design a website and it should rank on Google actually. So how to do that website and how to convert from the website itself. If any of your customer visits your website, they should make purchase in your website. To do that, okay, if customer wants to buy in your website, how that website should be designed and how should we put the content, images, videos, and call to actions, and all those things I am going to explain you in my further videos. Website marketing means we design website which works as a salesperson for our company. So something like that. So after that, pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising means we can call this as a search engine marketing or Google Ads also. Let's say if I shown you 2 BHK flat in Hyderabad now. So all these sponsored ads comes under the pay-per-click only, pay-per-click advertising only. So search engine marketing, Google Ads are synonyms for this pay-per-click advertising. After that, we have something called content marketing. Content marketing means promoting your business by using content. Let's say I provide digital marketing training. So how I am doing marketing now? Even this video is also part of content marketing only. So content marketing, what this content marketing does is, content marketing is the slow process of marketing. This is not like the ads. If you want to buy, you can buy it now or like that. Content marketing builds the trust. Content marketing builds the credibility. Content marketing takes time actually. If you want to do content marketing for your business, you need patience. Why? Because this is a long term digital marketing strategy. If you want to do the content marketing consistently, you have to produce your content consistently. You need to publish content about your business and your, it can be your customer reviews also. See, it should be content actually. So in detail I will explain about content marketing further in my further videos. So content marketing includes the videos, short videos, long videos, blogs, and all those things comes under the content marketing only. After that, email marketing. Email marketing means we send emails to the many people at a time. Let's say you have you have 1,000 customers data in your with you. Now if you want to send any email to them, you can't send from your personal email ID. Why? Because it is having 500 emails limit per day. So now how will you send? You may think that okay, I can send by using 2 email IDs. But what if you have 50,000 email database or 5 lakh email database? So you can't send by your personal email IDs. That is where this email marketing comes. We have tools for email marketing where we can send emails in 1 minute, less than 1 minute also you can send an email campaign to that 5 lakh people, or even it can be any data, even if that size doesn't matter. You can send it easily and you can track the results also. After sending, how many people it reached, how many people opened your email, how many people clicked on your link, and how many people purchased from your email also. So those kind of details we will get in the email marketing. So I will make tutorials on email marketing also. After that, social media marketing. This I need not to explain about social media marketing. Why? Because everybody is on social media marketing, social media today. Even today, you are even this video also you are watching on YouTube. That means you are on social media. Social media marketing means by using social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter, or whatever the platforms that you use. By using those social media platforms, you need to do marketing there. You need to build awareness for your products and services. You need to build credibility and trust by posting your uh, posting content about your business and your achievements and all those things. And ultimately, you need to get inquiries from your social media also. You need to get inquiries for your to buy your products or services. So I have my YouTube channel in Telugu. Recently I started videos in English also, which you are watching currently. So I had from my Telugu channel, I get many calls actually to learn digital marketing. So why? Because let me show you that YouTube channel also. This is my YouTube channel. If you can understand Telugu, you can watch these videos for free. So if you don't understand, you can watch in my English YouTube channel also, which is Digital John name. So here I have around 10,000 subscribers. I have already published 500 plus videos. So by watching these videos, I get inquiries for my digital marketing course. There we sell actually. There we sell, and after joining in my course, I provide digital marketing training for them, and I assist them in their digital marketing job also. So if you want to join in our course, okay, you can call this number 63099973292. So let's come to the social media. So social media marketing means promoting your products and services by using social media. Not just the promotion, you need to build trust there. That happens only if you publish content consistently. Uh, so it's all about the social media. Social media. So many people use social media today. Like your new platforms are also coming like Snapchat or Threads or okay. So platforms may come okay. It's not about the platforms. It's about how you are leveraging those platforms to do social media marketing, and in detail how to do social media marketing and all those things I will explain you in my further videos. So we have something called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing means you already know this about this affiliate marketing. If I explain you, you will remember all your affiliate marketers which you already saw and already saw their videos actually. So affiliate marketing means what happens here is We can call them as social media influencers also. What these people do is to make money, they promote other products and services. When their customers, when their audience or when their subscribers or followers purchase by using their influencer links, these influencers receive commission. So this way of marketing is called affiliate marketing. Usually e-commerce companies like Amazon or Flipkart or big companies, what they do is they they onboard these social media YouTubers or Instagram influencers also. They come, they join in their affiliate marketing program and they promote their products, Amazon products and all those things. After promoting, what happens is, if any of their subscribers or followers, if they purchase, this influencer receives commission. We call these influencers as affiliates in affiliate marketing. That's it. Okay. And we have something called video marketing. Video marketing means, which I am doing, this is part of video marketing only. Video marketing means we need to do videos to promote our business. Few people do live videos, few people do short videos, few people do long videos. It's up to them how they want to leverage their video and what type of videos they want to create to promote their business. So I will explain you in detail actually. So for every module, every component, many components are not listed here. Those are not actually important, but still I will create videos on entire digital marketing, so that you can learn 360-degree digital marketing by my video tutorials. So we have something called text messaging, which is SMS. This is also old form of marketing only, but still it's relevant. Many companies um, rely on text messaging, text messages to promote their businesses. Not only for that, even to send OTPs or something like that also. Something like sending important information, still SMS is relevant. So how to do this SMS mass marketing or video marketing and all those things I will explain you in my further videos. Hope you understood what is digital marketing in this video tutorial. Don't worry about the components or okay, the differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. If you have any queries, okay, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will respond and I will reply you and I will clarify your doubts. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and support my YouTube channel. Thank you.